Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, we noted that Bitcoin's price has barely moved. We remained around 115,500 after a brief upswing to 116,100 in the past 24 hours. Some influencers continue to suggest that this marks the start of a bear market. I find that narrative misleading. Out of 30 so-called bull market peak indicators, only one has triggered so far. That single indicator is the altcoin season index, which currently reads 80 with 75 as the threshold. It is worth monitoring, but hardly a signal of a full cycle top. Meanwhile, the decentralized exchange token Aster, which we covered yesterday, has already tripled in value within our community discussions. I am also watching the Pi cycle top indicator. It continues to climb and now implies a potential target near 200,000, with no clear signs of slowing. This current price action may be setting the stage for further movement into Sunday and Monday. Looking at the heat maps, on the one-day view, the hottest level sits at around 119,800, with the nearest cluster at roughly 116,300, matching yesterday's analysis. On the three-day view, there are active pockets both above and below, with the strongest area above at about 117,400. And on the one-week view, the picture is similar but broader, highlighting a key level near 119,500. Overall, these trends continue to point towards steady upward undercurrents. In related news, commentator Dennis Porter posted that, quote, "Massive political news coming for Bitcoin Tuesday that will reshape the trajectory of Bitcoin politics. This will be a defining moment in the past. His dramatic announcements have rarely moved markets, but it will be interesting to see what unfolds." I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time thoughts. Click the like button if you found value in this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. And see you in the next one.